everyone. You may have seen me using a filter when I was in your pep rallies this week, and I wanted to let you know that this is how I was able to do that. This is something fun that I use to engage scholars during summer school as well as during springtime virtual learning. So all I did was I went to Google and I typed in Snap Camera. First one that pops up, Snap Camera. .snapchat.com. Click on that link. Click on download at the top right corner. You're going to have to click the privacy policy as well as the email address and the internet email address. Then you would click download for PC. When it downloads, it's an actual program that will install. This is the icon right here at the bottom, the Snapchat icon. And then just be sure that you're aware which lens you use when you're with your kids. So for example, today was a cat. So I searched cat because I know that there was a funny cat one, which is this one right here I thought was hilarious. Also for the littles, for the pre-K and kinder, I think I use this one because I just think it's pretty cute. Kids like little cat ears and stuff like that. I also use this during Meet the Teacher Night just to engage scholars. And so here you go. I hope this helps.